name is Adam Felton. I'm Bronson Rock.
And my name is Andrew Conpay.
We're juniors at Harmony School of Nature located in Dallas. The PBL project we decided to do was create a hovercraft. A hovercraft is basically a vehicle that can travel on water, mud, and any type of surface. Basically, the whole idea is to levitate. And basically, with the air pockets that's underneath the hovercraft, we designed to levitate, which creates the whole purpose of the hovercraft.
The materials we used to make the hovercraft are leaf blowers with chargers included, a chair, and a hovercraft pedestal.
Here is the procedure. First, you make sure the leaf blower is fully charged before using. Then, you attach the leaf blower to the hovercraft pedestal and make sure it's in place. After that, you get a chair and sit in the center of the hovercraft. And lastly, you turn on the leaf blower and start steering with the help of a person.
Principles behind the hovercraft are Newton's 3 laws of motion and Bernoulli's principle. The first law is the law of inertia. If you were to push the hovercraft, it will stay in a constant velocity until an unbalanced force acts upon it. It also demonstrates the second law of motion because you can determine the force used by multiplying the mass of the hovercraft and the acceleration during the experiment. The third law is for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. You can use a fire extinguisher for an example. The fire extinguisher would push the hovercraft one way and the equal opposite reaction will push toward the other way. Bernoulli's principle applies to this experiment because the leaf blower blows air through the hovercraft, and since it has a nylon skirt under it and has holes on the nylon skirt, some air is released which makes the hovercraft lift. This means the hovercraft has high density under it and low density on top of it.
For our ELA component, we decided to keep a journal entry throughout the whole experiment, documenting our ideas, plans, and activities we did in order to complete the project.
For our social studies component, we chose to explain the historical connections behind the hovercraft.
Thanks for watching Harmony Public Schools.